Greetings to everybody. Today I'm going to take you through how to enter marks in the online system called Magezi. One, you need to have a computer connected to the internet or a laptop. Now if you have the laptop or a computer connected to the internet, we are right, go. First, open a browser of your choice. Can be Chrome, can be Mozilla. I'm going to use Chrome here. When you open, you are going to search for Rubong Army Secondary School. Because I centralized the link on our school website for easy access. Now I'm going to say Army Secondary School is there. Press enter. Now from here I will look for the school website. Is here, the link is here. Rubong Army, where there is a badge. Click on it. Now here it will take me to the school website. On the home page, see that you have a button here called results. Click on that button, results. That button will take you automatically to an online system which is called Magezi Harvest, and now we are supposed to log into using our credentials. So I will click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, it will display this interface. Then I will click on school ID. I want to sign in using the school ID. School ID, I will put Rubongi, small letters. I type my username. I'm going to use a certain teacher's name as the username. Then I'm going to use the password of that for that the purpose. Then I click login. When I click login, this now I've logged into system and the account that you can see the name is there. On your left here, the student's marks. Click on student marks to expand it. Click on add stock edit marks. A form will be displayed here. And now scroll and see. You select the term. Select the year. You put the year. In fact, type in the year 2025. Select the class. I'm going to select one. Go ahead and select. Type in the stream, which is AIF, and I click on proceed button. Here I'm supposed to choose the subject that I teach. I'm going to choose subject by clicking this drop down arrow. Choose this subject is assigned to this teacher by the system administrator, so it is entrepreneurship. If you find that you don't have the subject assigned to that stream, meaning you need to call the system as administrator for help so that they can assign you that subject. Now I'm going to choose entrepreneurship and I click on proceed. Leave other things, only choose the subject and click on proceed. Other things here, this one, the paper, order, you just leave them. On proceed. Now the system is loading and has loaded all the list of learners that have in that stream F. These warnings are just statistics. You don't need to worry about them. Now scroll down and see. We shall only adjust something small here. We shall adjust where there is show entries. This drop down arrow. We click on it. Then we say show all, so that it can show all the learners who have in the stream. Now, for comparison subjects, you make sure that you assess every learner by either a figure a score or by a dash. A dash for learners that missed exams. Then for scores for learners that wrote exams and the person what is or she has got in that paper. Now, it is out of 100. Don't forget that. Now, let me just test this learner entrepreneurship. Oh, let me just check on this one. I say 78. It is saving. You can see it is saving here. Maybe this one. I say 70. You can see. Saved. If this learner missed, I put a dash, meaning that learner missed, but the exam. Continue. When I put a dash, it means this one is saved and the marks there. This one saved, this one saved. The dash is saved, meaning that learner has missed one exam. Can say saved or updated. So the moment you put the marks, make sure that it's giving you this, the feedback. Now, what next? After putting, I've now put all, I'm assuming that I've finished all the marks I had, my learners. Now I need to check on the marks I've entered. Are they reflecting in the system? What do? I go to your left. Go to your left here where you got add swap marks, where there is export marks, then check marks. We're going to check from this mark. Now come, select the class, senior one, put the stream F. The year is here, but you can adjust it to 2024, to 2025, or any year. Then come and adjust also terms. Now you click on check status. Now, when you check status in that stream, it's going to give all the subjects. You can scroll down and give all the subject in that stream. So you just look on your subject. My subject I've entered is here. See? Entrepreneurship paper 1, and you can see there is term 1, term 2, but we don't need, we need term 3. We have entered today. We entered only scores of 3 learners, meaning 2 with scores and 1 that missed, but it's also counted. It is assessed. Now the name of the teacher and your telephone. After that, down here, even if you don't take much, but you can go through, know what is going on. Now, after that, you need to, I've ascertained that all the scores I've entered in the system are reflected. So I need to log out. What do I do to log out? Just click on your name here where there is icon of your name. There is arrow, this arrow here. Then select clock out. When you clock out, it will take you to this interface where we started from. So for any inquiry, any comment on this video, you can send in.